Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing two major decentralized exchanges, Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Let's break down which one is the best for you. Uniswap. Uniswap is built on the Ethereum blockchain and offers ERC20 token swaps using an automated market maker (AM) model. Its key features include Ethereum-based security and decentralization, higher transaction fees, but benefits from Ethereum's massive ecosystem and token availability. PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap runs on Binance Smart Chain, BSC, offering lower transaction fees and faster speeds. Its standout features include lower fees and faster transactions compared to Uniswap, yield farming and staking opportunities for additional rewards. Which one should you choose? PancakeSwap wins if you're looking for low fees and fast transactions. Uniswap is the go-to if you want access to ERC20 tokens and Ethereum security. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. See you in the next video.